The real reason why you are stuck, it is not laziness, my dear. You are not lazy at all. Your inner child needs some rest. Your inner child needs healing. Yes, it is absolutely right that you are carrying your childhood memories unconsciously in your subconscious mind. Your inner child, that is your inner self, is tired by the overload of all those past trauma, past negative memories. And that baby needs some rest, needs some healing. That is why you finding yourself stuck in a particular position. That is why, in spite of having all the qualities inside you, you are not moving forward. So, it is the time to heal your inner child. It is the time to communicate with your inner child. Hi, I am Arpita Bhattacharya, emotional freedom coach. In this particular video, I am going to help you to know more about your inner child, and I will also help you how to heal your inner child very easily in this video. Please stay with me till the end. I can guarantee you, after doing this healing, you will have tears of joy in your eyes. You will feel the extreme self love for yourself. So, who is your inner child actually? Just go back to your memory lane. जब आप छोटे से थे, at the age of 6, 7, 8 years of age, like a baby of 6 years, 7 years, आप कैसे थे? Try to remember your childhood picture. कैसे दिखते थे आप? कैसे थे? कैसे आपकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स थे? आप कितने चुलबुले से रहते थे? आप क्या क्या करते थे? जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज एंड थिंक अबाउट एवरीथिंग जो भी आपके मेमोरी में आ रहे हैं when you were 6, 7 years old. And what happened at that age? Lot of negative things जो सराउंडिंग्स में हमेशा होते रहते हैं. कितने बार हम ना सुनते हैं, डोंट डू दैट, डोंट डू दिस. स्कूल में सुनते हैं, यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू दैट, तुमसे होता नहीं है ऐसा. ये सब नेगेटिव वर्ड्स, बहुत सारा नेगेटिव वर्ड्स सुनते सुनते हम बड़े हुए थे. आप भी शायद सुने हो. हाँ, ऐसा नहीं सिर्फ नेगेटिव वर्ड्स ही सुने हैं, पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स भी सुने हैं. बट ऑल द नेगेटिव वर्ड्स, ऑल द पास्ट फेलियर्स जो आप बचपन में एक्सपीरियंस किए थे, दे आर स्टिल लिविंग इनसाइड यू डियर. Actually, consider your subconscious mind. First of all, we have two types of mind, that is our conscious and subconscious. So, subconscious mind is that child, and conscious mind is the mother. Now, we all are grown up, you are grown up, and that mind, right now, with which mind you are doing your job, you are playing your role, you are acting whatever it is, this is your conscious mind who is जो आपको चला रहे हैं. And the subconscious mind, that is the little baby inside you, जो एक 6, 7 साल की उम्र की ही वहीं पे वो अटक गए हैं. Actually, that baby, subconscious mind, is so powerful, but power without direction. Your subconscious mind, that baby, your inner child, can absorb everything from your surroundings. It is that baby is absorbing everything जो आप देख रहे हो, जो आप सुन रहे हो, जो आप एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो फ्रॉम योर चाइल्डहुड डेज. सब कुछ वो अब्जॉर्व कर रहे, एक्यूमुलेट कर रहे, उसका इमोशनल इम्पैक्ट जो है सब कुछ एक्यूमुलेट कर रहे. बट दैट बेबी डजंट नो हाउ टू रिलीज दोज इमोशनल इम्पैक्ट्स. सो क्या हो रहा है? इट इज गेटिंग ओवरलोडेड, राइट? सबकॉन्शियस इनर चाइल्ड इज गेटिंग टायर्ड. बचपन से लेके आज तक का जितना सारा इमोशनल इम्पैक्ट्स रहा, नेगेटिव इमोशनल इम्पैक्ट्स, Everything is there. आप सोचोगे, I have grown up. I forget something were there in my childhood days. But I forget. I let go. I did it. But you deleted the unnecessary files from your computer. You selected all the files and you press the delete button. ये चला गया कंप्यूटर मेमोरी से? नहीं ना. It goes into the recycle bin. हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है. आप जितना सारा बचपन से लेके आज तक का नेगेटिव इमोशनल इम्पैक्ट्स है, सब आप जो कॉन्शियसली सोच रहे हो आपने छोड़ दिया, आपने भूल गए. You don't forget it at all. They all are inside your inner child, inside your subconscious. The emotional impacts are living and creating the pattern continuously. Exactly. And your inner child, just imagine that baby is carrying all the grief, all the pain, all the sense of criticism, all the fear of unknown, all the anxiety, stress, all the sense of failure from that childhood days. और ना जाने कितना कितना negative emotions है. So, that baby, वो ठीक है? Is that baby healthy? I think not. That baby needs rest. That baby needs healing. Yes. The only thing your inner child needs that your love. Think about that. कितने प्यार करते हो आप खुद से? कितने सताते हो आप अपने आप को for all the other persons? You sacrifice us for everyone. You are taking overload on you. You are giving over pressure on that child. That baby needs the love from you. That is called self-love. The only relationship that can create any kind of success in health, in relationships, in financial life, wherever it may be, the only one relationship, the best relationship in the world is the relationship of you with your inner child. So this is the time to heal that relationship. Think about that. आपके साथ आपके इनर चाइल्ड का रिलेशन क्या है? सुन पाते हो क्या आपके इनर चाइल्ड आपको बोल रहे हैं? Are you ready to listen? That baby is trying to communicate with you through the health challenges, through the financial challenges, through making you stuck. But no, you are not there to listen to your inner child because you are not aware of that thing. So yes, this is the time. Be aware of your inner child, the existence of your inner child, the super powerful part of you, and give some release, give some relief to that baby. So now, how to do it? It is so simple. Just do Ho'oponopono to clean all the past memories, all the traumas, all the past failures that inner child is carrying from how long, pata nahi. Just do Ho'oponopono. And what will be the prayer? Just do it with me. Right now, yes, right now, please do it with me. Close your eyes, everyone. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Relax. Take your right hand on your heart. Smile. For a while, think about your inner self, your inner child, the tired inner child of you. And say to that baby, from right now, I am taking 100% responsibility to heal you. Now take your own name. Like I'm saying, Arpita, I'm sorry. You take your own name and say, I am sorry for abusing you a lot. I am sorry, dear, for not listening to you. Please forgive me, dear, for not being aware of. So tired you are by carrying all the unconscious memories for long, long years. Please forgive me for not listening to you properly. Please forgive me for not giving you the space to heal, to release all the overloaded negative emotions from you. Thank you so much. In spite of all the discomfort I have given to you, still you are waiting for my love. Still you are showing me the proper direction. Still you are waiting to get healed with me. Thank you so much for giving me one more time the assurance that you are with me in any situation. Thank you so much. I love you. From now, I commit to love you beyond anything, beyond anyone. From now, I commit to listen to you at any condition. From now on, I commit to protect you for rest of my life. I'm sorry, dear. Please forgive me. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. I love you. Now, just imagine that little baby who was in pain. That baby is smiling because you have cleared some of the negative emotions with the wonderful prayer. How lighter the baby is right now. All the negative emotions, stress, fear of the unknown, insecurity, fear of judgment, criticism, everything is fading. That baby is getting relief with your healing. Take a deep breath in. Inhale and release. Now, slowly open your eyes. Rub your palms. Yes, rub your palms. Faster and stronger, faster and stronger. Feel the warmth in between your palms and put it on your eyes and on your whole face. Now, just check how you are feeling. You will realize you were waiting for your own love. You were waiting for your own belief. Like this, in this few seconds of session, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना कि that inner child got the 100% relief. No, you have to practice it. So whenever you feel stuck, whenever you feel clumsy enough, whenever you will feel कि things are not happening the way you want in your life, whenever you feel you are taken for granted, just go back to your inner child. Just remember about me, open this video and do that healing part with me. And of course, every day do a mirror work to heal your inner child continuously. As you are waking up from the bed at morning, go to the mirror. The first thing you will do, go to the mirror, look at your own eyes and say loudly to yourself, looking at your own eyes, I'm sorry for all the discomfort I have given to you unknowingly. Please forgive me for not allowing you to get relief. Thank you so much. In spite of all the abuse I did with you, still you are with me. Thank you for making me so powerful. I love you as the way you are. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Do it 11 times and start your day. You will see, you feel the extreme love within you. So, with that, today I'm closing this video. And अगर आपको लगा कि yes, this video is really, really helpful, please subscribe my channel and share this video with minimum 3 of your friends and family members. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get my next notifications. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Stay happy and heal your inner child. Love you.